How to join an alliance in Evony, the King's Return. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you want to join an alliance in Evony, the King's Return game, then the first thing to do is to launch open the game on a device. Now go to the bottom right corner and tap the three dots and select Friends. Select any one person from your friend list or from your recommended list and tap on their profile icon. After you end up in their profile section, go to the bottom center and tap on View Alliance. Once you find the alliance you'd like to join into, click on Join Alliance at the bottom right. Now it'll take a while for your application to be reviewed. If it's an open alliances, you'll be able to join in immediately. Now, wait for them to accept you in their alliance and you'll be officially a part of alliance if they accept you. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.